Alright guys, today I got the Jato back out, the VXL 4S Traxxas Jato. Still got the Aarma Hoons on it, but today I'm gonna do some speed runs for you. I got one of those Sky RC GNSS performance analyzers. Tells you the speed. I got some two double-sided tape on it. Hopefully it'll stick. I'm just gonna stick it to the top of the battery. Might not be the brightest idea, but we're gonna give it a shot. And I put this mesh on here because I put some hyperflow fans on here. Really strong fans. They run off the balance lead of your battery, which is a 4S battery, so it's gonna run off that. All right, turn on the remote. Get the remote on. All right, turn on the car. That perfect pass servo is awesome. The thing's a beast. Cover on. Poor little hacked up Jato cover. Body, I mean. Jato body cover. Body, whatever. This thing is such a pain to get on. With all that stuff in there. Alright guys, I got the app up for the speed runs. I got 11 satellites. Let's go with track, start. And it's catching. Alright guys, here we go with the Jato. Alright, warmed up a little bit. Flat out, guys. Coming right at us. Whew. That had to have got it. Flat out. Coming right back. Flat out, guys. It's flat out. She's hauling. She's hauling. Woo! See if everything's holding up. Yeah. So far, so good. So far, so good. Everything seems to be holding up. Yeah. Yeah. Woo! Oh, I never turned on my fan, guys. I never turned on my fan. There we go. Wait, you hear this? Now the fan's on, guys. We can get her going again. Get her flat out again, boys. We got her pegged. Got her pegged. Coming at us. Woo! Let's see what that reads, guys. Alright guys, let's check and see what we got for this speed run. Alright, stop. Alright, stop. Read. 45 miles an hour, and that is on the stock gearing. I'm not sure what it is. I think it might be a 15 tooth pinion and a 54 spur, but don't hold me to that. Or it might be a 12 or a 13 tooth pinion. I'm not sure. I'll have to check later, but we got 45 miles an hour out of her with the Aarma Hoons Dboots, so that's not bad. We can get a lot more out of her, I'm sure. I can gear up to about a 19 tooth pinion, I think. Well, with this fan that I have on here now, I could probably maybe gear up to something crazy. I don't know, but I don't know, it's gonna be pretty cool. Rip it a little bit more. Oh! Two-wheel riding, baby. I mean, she's zippy. It's crazy we got 45 out of her. I mean, I don't know if that's crazy or not. 45 out of the box. It says it can go faster than that, you know, typical Traxxas. Oh, there she is, guys. All of her glory. Tumble wumble. I gotta move the ramp back, guys. Oh, I'm an idiot and I keep on slamming into my garage. Hopefully that gives us enough room. Oh, this is my new ramp, by the way. It's a KCRC ramp. Little outfit out of Canada, I guess. Pretty big little ramp. The old Flipperooski. What do you guys think of that?